Hey, so I thought we would make discard chocolate chip cookies. Sarah makes them and they sounded really good, so I figured why not. So you're gonna need 1 stick of butter softened, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of your discard that you have in the fridge, or if you just made some today and you discarded it, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 cups of chips. So I'm gonna go and get my butter ready and I'll be right back. So I have my butter and my brown sugar in here, and I'm gonna add in my white sugar, and now I'm gonna mix it. The butter needs to be soft, remember that, and brown sugar too. So this is what it looks like now. I am not sure if you can make this in a mixer. I could try it at another point. We're adding in our egg. The recipe just said to make it by hand, so I'm not sure. That might be the process because of the over mixing. So yeah. So once we have done this, we're gonna start in our starter. So I'm gonna go get that. Okay, I've added in the discard. Remember, it's got to be floating. So whatever you made it fresh or whatever, once it's in the fridge or when you put it away, it has to be floating. That's how you know everything. Okay, so I've mixed it in. When you're mixing it, it may look like it's a lot of flour and you might be like, there's not enough liquid. There's enough, trust me. So I'm adding in the chocolate chips. I like to use the small ones just because I do. So I'm going to add them in, and then this needs to go into the refrigerator for 15 minutes or overnight for best results. So I'm going to do it for 15 minutes just because I want them now. And I'll be back to let you know how they are. Okay. So I have them out the fridge now. I let them get to room temperature, and I'm just using an ice cream scoop to scoop them on a tray with parchment paper, but I guess you could use a spoon if you wanted. So place them on the parchment and then bake them at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes if you want a cake kind of consistency, or 6 to 8 minutes if you want a more chewy one. So we'll see you back for a part 2 to see how they came out.